Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. The other day I made a short 1 minute English video about the phrase all the rage. And I was talking about the way in which the idea of coaching is now all the rage. So you get fitness coaches, you get life coaches, and a lot of people no longer call themselves English language teachers. They call themselves language coaches. When I posted this video on Instagram, somebody asked me whether I saw myself as a language coach. God forbid, I replied. I'm just a common or garden English language teacher. If you describe something as common or garden, you basically mean that it's very ordinary, it's nothing special. So someone might ask you, what kind of car do you drive? It's nothing fancy. I've just got a common or garden family saloon car. Maybe I'm mowing the lawn and I get chatting to my neighbour and he says, how long have you had that old thing? And I say, listen, I know it's just a common or garden lawnmower, but it does the job. Maybe one of your students comes into class one day with a fancy new Chinese mobile phone and they try to impress you by saying, you see this phone here, it's not just a common or garden iPhone, it's a new Chinese thing. It's special. If you have liked this video, please do click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you think you might use the adjective common or garden.